Do you guys remember the drama about the UK Chinese takeaway on TikTok? I found it to be so, like, I can't even remember what it's about. I'm pretty sure the American people were making fun of Chinese UK takeaway food. Meanwhile, America also has American Chinese food that has been accustomed to American palate. Like, I think prawn toast is only available in the UK, whereas something like crab rangoons are in America Chinese only. There ain't no crab rangoons in the UK, and for sure not in China. I just bit into a chili. I don't know why it's 3 o'clock and I'm still not like absolutely ravenous. I'm hungry, but for 3 o'clock being my first meal, I should be ravenous, you know? But I did start with a dessert first. But even when I was having dessert, I wasn't like ravenous for a meal. I'm gonna get the beef and the peppers out. I'll remove the black beans and the sauce because it's getting too saucy for my likings. I'm gonna give that chicken to Rolo because I can see him at the corner of my eye looking like an absolute starved dog. And I literally fed him extra food and treats just now. Rolo, you want some chicken? That's that. Anyway, guys, that was my late lunch. I'll see you later for dinner. I hope you're having a good day.